Hello, this is Joyce and I am here with a really quick video. I had to have two men birthday cards. One of the guys that I work with, his birthday was today and I didn't even know it until today. So he's a really sweet guy. He's the one that I made the cards that he sends to his daughter. So I just wanted to do something quick for him. Let me tell you what I use for these cards. I use this Sizzix set from Stamps of Life because I am late with his, because I didn't know. And I used the Oh Snap, I'm so sorry I missed your birthday. So, and I put them together to put on the inside. And I pulled this one, but I didn't use it, so we won't talk about that one. I use this archival ink. It's the Forget Me Not. It's more turquoisey. I use this stamp here, and then I use this stamp here. I have two guys. One is turning 60 tomorrow, so we'll talk about his first. This is the card I made for him. This paper comes from the weekend market. It was still out, so I had scraps, so I decided to use some of it, and I really like this this piece of paper here. So I used one of my new happy birthday stamps that I got from Amazon, and that's how it cuts. I really like it. And then he's turning 60, so I used numbers from this Dear Lizzie set. I wish I had bought more because these are so nice, and it's got 2 sheets of each. So that's where the 60 comes from. The cardstock, the base of the card was made with Michael's 110-pound paper. You know, I showed the cream and coffee set that I bought the other day. So then I just matted with a thinner sheet here. And then I stamped on the inside, you're not getting older, you're getting more awesome. He's a sweet guy too. So, and I tell you what, it's got a little slant on it, but you know I don't do straight lines. So that is card number 1, and of course I put my stamp on the back. And then for the birthday that was for today, this is the card I made for him. The turquoise paper is Basil. So it was out, I had it in that bag there. So I only used papers that were laying on my desk for these 2 cards. Like I said, this stamp here, I stamped it with that archival ink. Matted on the inside. I didn't mat the other one because I stamped it before I thought about it. And this is just where I said, oh snap, I'm sorry, I missed your birthday. I'm going to just write, hope you had a great day. I know his fiance and mother came down and they took off early, so I'll lay this on his desk in the morning, and then I just stamp the back. So those are my 2 quick cards. I just need to sign them. I need to find envelopes, and then I can call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and leave a comment. I love reading your comments. Okay guys, have a good evening.